My name is Trish Brownlee, and I am a United States military veteran and a working professional artist. And I want to talk to you about Breaking Rag. Breaking Rag is a veteran, family, and community art project I've created to serve Fort Bragg and surrounding communities. Breaking Rag offers workshops in creating paper from worn military uniforms. These workshops are offered to veterans, their families, and to the community with a goal of creating artwork that communicates the military experience and bridges the gap between veteran and civilian communities. Through art, we are able to break through assumptions and stereotypes and find real connection. I am a veteran with 8 years of military service. Creating art from my military uniforms, I began to be able to process my own military service. I'm also the spouse of an active duty soldier who has 12 years of military service and 9 combat deployments. His struggle was really the inspiration for the artwork and research that led me to launch Breaking Rag. I believe that art allows for testimony and gives veterans a way to share the burdens of war with a country who asked them to fight in the first place. The process of making this paper involves cutting the uniform into pieces. It's a very slow process and it's transformative. Breaking rag is a term in paper making, referring to the physical process of breaking fibers into pulp, from which paper is then made. Breaking rag is needed because collaborative art making offers a space for understanding and honest connection to occur between veterans and their communities. My community is home to one of the largest active duty and veteran military populations in America. My goal is to create ongoing access to community workshops and collaborate with existing organizations. Kelly Fry is a recreational therapist and program coordinator at a local medical facility that serves veterans. Kelly wrote the following testimonial about the impact of papermaking workshops with her patients. The emotional impact and healing that I have observed through papermaking has been amazing. From the cutting of the uniform to the finished product, my patients have grown and healed. I look forward to integrating Breaking Rag into our program on a regular basis. By supporting the Breaking Rag Kickstarter campaign, you will allow me to purchase needed supplies and equipment. You are supporting an art project that creates change, promotes understanding, and gives a voice to our veterans, who far too often remain silent. Thank you for supporting Breaking Rag.